Today we're gonna play a small game. You'll love it a lot and you can do it at your home. Okay? We're gonna write these numbers in order and count them in order. Let's look. Here we have 9, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 10. Do you think I have counted the numbers in order? Of course no. So let's count them in order and place them in the correct order too. Let's start. 1, look, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. Did you see? Now the numbers are counted in order and they are placed in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In this way, I have counted the numbers in order. It's called a counting order. I have counted the numbers in order and by one. Okay, so each number is placed after the other.